TR Fastenings was founded by Mike Timms and Mike Roberts, hence TR.
One of the first products that TR Fastenings got involved with were rivet bushes. The Mikes sourced the rivet bushes from a number of subcontractors, and unfortunately one of them went bankrupt. This was in and around 1976, so they acquired all of the assets, the machines, including the former owner, who became the general manager of the factory, which was set up in one half of the warehouse in the Framfield Road site. The key features of the Binks nut are that it has the same dimensions as a standard nut, and the two opposing saw cuts make a self-locking feature that's tolerant to heat. So whereas a nylon insert nut you couldn't put into a high temperature application, it would simply melt. That's not the case with the Binks nut.
The growth was phenomenal. We soon had to move to Framfield Road, to an industrial unit there, and we became very, very fast growing, and we're hiring people all over the place. So we then started to open up new divisions: Bracknell, the northeast of England, Northern Ireland. Off the back of really what IBM had taught us in the early part of the 90s, and they taught us how to do just-in-time deliveries. In other words, delivering straight to the production line, no mistakes, and they took a year to teach us how to do that. And once we'd become adept at that, then we realised we had a product to sell. The decision was taken in the early 90s that we ought to become a public company, by which time our turnover had grown every year by a huge percentage.
We thought what we really need is our own manufacturing, and I mean now we have 6 manufacturing sites out in Asia, and they're absolutely the backbone of what we do. Probably the most exciting acquisition for me was Power Steel in Malaysia. Certainly with the growth of our automotive business, it has just been absolutely what we needed.
What I understand by the people that have worked outside of TR, and also from talking to our suppliers and customers, I suppose, within the industry, TR seems to be a cut above the rest in many ways, from people aspects to professionalism as well. You know, we're known as the Rolls-Royce of fasteners. This is the second or third year of the apprenticeship scheme. The idea is that we take in 1 or 2, depending on the candidates that we can get from the local school, and give them an overview, an 18-month to 2-year overview on the business.
TR have a great habit of allowing people responsibility, and if you're responsible for your own actions and you take pride in it, you will succeed.
In the closeness of the company, when you have functions, even from getting a turkey at Christmas to Easter eggs at Easter.
It's like coming home. Obviously you're at home and you spend a lot of time with the people that you work with, and yeah, I suppose it's a little bit like a second family, really.
Each day I get up to be part of the TR team. I feel privileged and it just makes me feel good.
I do live around the area, so I think everybody knows of TR. And then I sort of saw it advertised, and it is a nice company to work for, and you do hear lots of good things. So I was like, oh no, I'll definitely apply for that job.
I would say to anybody who's about to start working for TR or thinking of working for TR, I'd say go for it, jump in, because there's lots of opportunities at a very low level, so you can meet everybody even when you've just started, and you can get to know all the departments. It's good fun.
So to summarise, in these 40 years, mostly happy, successful years, we've gone from 2 founders, their wives and a van driver, in a house up the high street, to a company that's now in 21 locations, 16 countries, 3 continents, employing nearly 1,300 people. That's something to be proud of.